Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make some DIY wrapping paper today. Alright, so you'll just start off with some leftover paper bags. We had food delivered in a bunch of Uber bags, and rather than recycling them right away, I thought it would be cool to turn them into some wrapping paper that we can decorate for the holidays and for everyone to enjoy. First, you have to kind of cut things so it lays nice and flat. You cut off the top part with the little handle. Don't immediately throw away the handle though. You will be able to use that as part of your bow if you so desire. And then you'll open up the bag and bust out the bottom. It's not going to be exactly pretty or seamless. It's not going to be the perfect wrapping paper that you buy at a gift shop, but it will get the job done and be a little bit more earth-friendly, user-friendly, upcycling, and have a little family fun too. So after you wrestle the adhesive off, you'll cut the bag open so then it will lie flat. You could use the extra little ends if you wanted for something. I chose to trim them off so it would be easier to draw around and on for our purposes, but you could use it for extra gift tags or maybe even extra wrapping for a bow or whatnot, but I decided to kind of toss the extra stuff or recycle it. Not have it part of this project. So then I had some strips of basically long enough paper to do some cool designs and wrap things in. As I mentioned, keeping the handles is optional, but a great idea. This little string-like thing can be used as a great little accent bow, and it makes a lovely little decor. We just went ahead and laid these out on the kitchen table and then put out some fun drawing materials for the kids and I. I also had some leftover plain bags that I decided to decorate as well. There aren't a lot of rules when it comes to thinking about what must or must not be on any sort of wrapping paper. I like to stick with big, bold designs that aren't exactly something but aren't exactly nothing. I'm always drawn to some sort of snowflake star, circle, pattern thing. I must have been inspired by the tablecloth a little bit as the colors sort of came out of that. But there's not a lot of rules. I didn't give the kids any must-dos, and they kind of did their own thing. There was snakes, there was a nativity, there was bird feathers, and really a combination. I like to think of this kind of project as something that goes on for the day or maybe 2 days. On the table, you do a few marks or designs as you pass by, and then you add on to it later. It's also a great boredom buster. When someone says, "I'm bored," you can say, "Well, go work on some wrapping paper," knowing that it'll be used for something fun later. And then it just sort of grows from there. Here it is in fast motion, seeing us all furiously working, but this was really over a few hour period while dinner was being cooked, while people were going in and out, while laundry was being done, while homework was being done, and phone calls and whatnot. We are not normally this productive, but it shows that you can have something out for the whole family to do while other things are going on, and making everyone sit down and do it is usually not very successful. So we had lots of different themes and decor and different ways of expressing ourselves and what will look great on a wrapped present. Then taking this to the next level of actually wrapping a present simply works as wrapping paper. Doing the taking something and wrapping it nicely for someone, it always makes them feel special, and you see that I used that extra part of the bag. Enjoy! A while back, my husband started This Better Home, showing the things we do ourselves in and around the house. Go ahead and like and subscribe and see what we're up to next time. Thanks.